Run, boy. Give a war cry. You suck.
Wait, Dave's gonna be on video. Dave's gonna be on video. You coming?
Yeah.
Go. Going. Just toss it. Just toss it.
Oh, they could have gotten it.
Hey. Oh, there's more bits. Hey!
These guys are crows.
Get all the bits.
That's so many. That's a lot.
That's a lot of birds. I can get any one of them. I just can't take my pick.
I want you.
Give me bird.
Do not feed the crow.
Give me bird. Give me bird. Give me bird.
Get the fuck back. What's up, Goose?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. What is your opinion on the current situation in the Ukraine? Sir, please, sir, sir, what is your opinion on the Ukraine? Sir, what's your opinion on the Ukraine, sir? Sir, do you think that Putin is doing what the world needs, or is he this generation's Hitler? Sir, do you think Putin is doing what the world needs? Sir, I have a question for you. Sir, come back. Sir. I don't think he wanted to answer my question. That's Kenneth. Sir, what's your opinion on the Ukraine, sir? Do you think Putin is this generation's FDR or Hitler? Oh my God, they're all, dude, look, they're all lined up.
No, do not walk to them. Let them do their thing.
They're all lined up on the post, dude.
No, do not grab it. Don't get it.
I'll go over here and catch my prey.
Pheasant. Let them keep coming. Let them keep
Did you
coming.
hear about how the Birds Aren't Real guys are suing all the major news corporations? The Birds Aren't Real guys are suing all the major news corporations because they actually were like, a lot of the news corporations were like, you guys are fake and this is wrong. This is technically defamation and like falsification. So they're suing them in a lawsuit that will actually stick because it's, you know, it's fucking with their personal.
Hey, get off the truck! Get off the...
Let him be on the truck.
No, it's a damn Craggle.
Grackle.
Crackle.
No one likes grackles. Well, I mean, there's some female grackles, there's some male grackles. Shut up!
Dude, do you think one got in the truck?
I have an idea.
Are we gonna try to catch one in the truck? That'd be fucking funny, dude. That'd be so funny.
You. No.
They'll hear our plan.
No, you guys are coming this way. Oh, you're coming this way. No. You cannot be that close. They will not. You know what? I have to close the door. No, I'm gonna get within in there.
What kind?
Anyone that'll take it.
Well, at least that's what I hear in the movies.
Wait, I left the keys. Here, take this. Hold it. Do not let them get that. That is exactly what they want. That's all I've got. That's everything. Okay, now you step back and let them pick. David, you cannot. You have to be super still. What do we do if we get one?
I don't know.
Still.
Then what?
The net. We lost Ken's over there. Ken, walk away from the truck.
What?
Don't go near the truck.
I'm making sure my Xbox is covered. You know what? I'm shitting in it.
Still. Keep moving your feet and they're stepping away from you. Just do not move because there's some near your feet. They're over by the truck side, but they'll see them and go for them.
Oh, I'm thinking about it.
David, when I tell you go, you just shut that damn door.
Oh my god, they're fighting.
That Grackle's going for it. That one right there at the bottom, he's gonna go for it. Oh.
They gotta clear out all the gravel first.
Did no one see the bird just perfect?
I saw one poop next to me when I was chasing it. They were following me.
Is there people in the head?
Already ever going for it?
Okay.
Yeah, some of them are seeing them. They're getting close. When I tell you go, you just shut that door though, okay?
What if you crush it and kill it?
Guys,
Bird
Huge.
you in your door.
huge kill.
David, step away from it. Just let go of the door. You're good. Yeah, no, not close it. I mean, like, there was a beach guy there.
Someone asked, what's going on here? That's what you get for
So-
bringing
Some of them are really considering it. But like, when I tell you go, just fucking slam it.
That one of the big ones gets in there.
A seagull?
I want to see them. Not like I've seen or anything.
No. That would be the best.
Oh god.
That one's a crow.
He's just
The
chilling.
rest are grackles. That's real. Oh my god, there's a couple of real crows here. What the hell?
Crows have black eyes. And they're not-
That's a raven.
Those are grackles.
No, ravens have black eyes.
My dad told me.
None of them are going for it.
I'm pretty sure grackles are yellow eyes with
Call it a day?
feathers.
Should we throw some more? I really want one. That'd be so funny.
Nah, if we get lucky, we get one.
Another patrol.
Alright. Call it a day.